Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to screen record on MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to and open your MacBook, and you'll have a screen like this in front of you. Then after that, you just need to of course check out what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, we have the File, Edit, and View. We have Go, Window, and Help options. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your date. We have of course, Wi-Fi, battery, and everything. You can go and check those out by putting here like this. And in the top bottom side, we have your applications. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and screen record on a MacBook. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So first, need to open the screenshot toolbar. So press Shift plus Command +5 on your keyboard. This will bring up the screenshot and screen recording toolbar. So click on, when you're in your Mac, click on Shift, then Command, and then the number 5. And you'll have it like this. After that, choose the record the entire screen or selected option. To record the entire screen, click on Record Entire Screen button, the icon with the whole screen. To record a selected portion, click on the Record Selected Portion button, the icon with a dotted outline, and then drag to select the area you want to record. Then click on the record button to start recording. When you're finished, click the stop in the menu bar and the stop of the screen. Alternatively, you can press Command, Control, and then Escape. Your recording will be saved automatically to your desktop or your chosen location in the options menu within the screenshot toolbar. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.